If you've ever thought it was impossible to buy a beautiful and habitable stone house in Tuscany for €60,000, this one proves that you definitely can. Built in the 19th century, it still retains many character features, such as the chestnut ceiling beams, wooden floors, and window shutters and a working fireplace. Of course, it will most likely need some attention and upgrades, but if authentic charm and an idyllic setting are high on your priority list, this is definitely one to appreciate. With 4 bedrooms and 120 square meters of living space, this home is spread over 3 levels, including 2 spacious cellars in the basement. The fabulous garden has stunning views of the surrounding countryside and offers privacy, as well as wonderful opportunities to dine al fresco. Create a unique outdoor living space, start a vegetable garden, or just relax in the sunshine. It's located in the quaint village of Eglio, which is about 40 kilometers from Lucca, in the heart of Tuscany. Pisa is the nearest airport, which is about an hour away. The Versilia beaches are also about the same distance from the home. Essential amenities, such as a grocery store, pharmacy, and medical services, can be found in Molesana, which is about 3.5 kilometers down the road. The medieval towns of Barga and Castelnuovo di Garfagnana are also nearby. Thanks for watching, and we hope you love this home as much as we do. If so, you can find a link to the original listing and Realtors' contact details in the video notes below.